Welcome to 340 Blacksferry Road, located in the 37931 zip code. We are minutes from Oak Ridge to Hardin Valley, also minutes from downtown Knoxville. This beautiful property is actually secluded right off Blacksferry Road, which is just a minute or two from Emory Valley. This property has a home, a basement rancher that is completely renovated. It's over 3,100 square feet. It also has a 1,200-foot insulated workshop. There is also a 33-foot above-ground pool in the backyard. Once inside, you'll see that there is a living room, a kitchen that is an eat-in kitchen. There will be a primary suite. There'll also be a secondary primary suite, 2 additional bedrooms, a full bathroom, and that's on the main level. Now, in the bottom level of this basement rancher, which also is a walkout, and it walks out to the backyard, it has an additional 5th bedroom downstairs. It can also be used as a game room or anything else that you could think of. What do you think about this backyard? These gorgeous trees, this very large space that has been completely cleared by the seller. There is I believe it's a 10 by 40 screened in porch underneath this beautiful deck. At the other end of the deck, there's also a hot tub for your own personal pleasure. If you would like a personal tour, please reach out to me at 865-591-1197, or you can have your realtor set up an appointment on Broker Bay. Thank you again for taking the time to view this video. Please like and share for our sellers so that we can get this home sold. Thank you again.